Hi friends, it's Peggy Noe from PrettyPaperCards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm here today with another video in my Basics series. This is a series of video tutorials for new or experienced stampers who just want to refresh or learn for the first time some of the basics. And I just give you some helpful hints that might help you in your stamping. So today we're going to talk about cleaning your clear acrylic blocks. Now, the clear acrylic blocks are used to stamp with our cling stamps, which are red rubber, and our Stampin' Up! Photopolymer stamps, which are clear. And for both of them, you use our clear acrylic blocks. Let's take a quick look in our annual catalog. So that you can see what I mean. Pages 148 and 149 show the different blocks. Here's the one I was using a minute ago. This is the D block. There are 9 different sizes of blocks that Stampin' Up! Makes, and there's also a block caddy that can hold them all if you needed to carry them around and take them places, or you wanted to store them that way. I personally do not use the caddy for storage. I store them in a drawer right next to my craft desk. But 9 different sizes of clear blocks, so a size for everything. And what do I love about our clear blocks? Well, I love for one thing that they're nice and thick. Many other clear blocks are thin, like half this size, and they're hard to get a grip on. I'm going to put this a little bit closer. I love that they have this groove for your fingers so that you can get a really good grip on your block and you don't lose hold of it. It makes me feel confident when I'm stamping. And so what happens as you use your blocks, often with your stamps, you might get them dirty. You will get them dirty. They will get adhesive on them. They will get, which means glue, sticky stuff. They will get fingerprints. They will get dust, and they might also get ink. I don't know if you can see that ink. It's a little hard to see, but I've got some ink on this one. If I stamped on the ink pad and tipped my block, I very easily get ink on my block. Maybe you can see them a little better if I take my little pad away. And I'm going to try to show you, it's a bit hard to see, that this one has some adhesive on it. It has some fingerprints and stuff. And I like to clean my blocks every so often. I want them to be clean. So how do you clean them? Well, there are several ways. One way is to put them in the sink with Dawn dishwashing liquid, which I have done many times, but I find that doesn't get off the glue and the sticky stuff as well. I end up having to rub really hard and use a lot of elbow grease with that. Now, one time I asked my husband, I told him I couldn't get them clean, and he took them out to the garage and used WD-40, and they came back very clean. It was a great job. But I don't really prefer to use WD-40, and it kind of has a smell. So what I prefer to use that I feel works really well for me is either rubbing alcohol, and I keep mine in a little, just a little container right here next to really on my stamping desk, or some wonderful antibacterial scrub. And the ones I love are from the Bath and Body Works. And they just, both of these work about the same because the antibacterial scrub is mostly all alcohol, but it just smells a lot better. So I use both of these, and then I use either a Kleenex tissue or my preferred method, and that if I don't have a paper towel, I will use that. But my preferred method is a paper towel. And so I'm just going to use my, this is warm vanilla sugar scented, and I know this antibacterial is going to smell really good. And so I just put some on the cloth, or you can put it directly on your block, and I just start rubbing it all over. And I am looking for where I have those marks, and I'm sorry that you can't see them because of the glare and everything. But hopefully maybe my block will just shine when I'm finished. It'll just sparkle. And I make sure to get over on the sides now, especially with these viruses that are going around. I think it's good after I have a class, when I have people over to stamp, I almost always just go through and clean my clear acrylic blocks just like that. And now, don't you think it's really sparkling? I can really see it. I think it looks fabulous. Now let's take this one that has some ink on it, and instead I'll just use the rubbing alcohol. And like I'm saying, it really doesn't matter. They both pretty much do the same cleaning job. If I have super stubborn goop, I might use the rubbing alcohol, but you can see the ink that was on that, and you really can see that. So now what I'm going to do is just kind of turn it over and get another clear spot here where there's no ink on my paper towel, add some alcohol, and go over that one more time, and it's still getting some color off that block. But I really like my blocks to be nice and clean. And again, you can dry, you can dry them with the other side of the paper towel, definitely. And there is another sparkling clear acrylic block. So clean your blocks, have them nice and clean and ready to go for the next time. I hope this has been helpful, and come back and watch some more of my the basics video tutorials. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.